Hey everybody, Tim Higgins here. So we're going to talk about this new product, ApiStrong. We're going to do a quick little demo of the free version that comes with ApiStrong. So if I click on View Demo or View Demo here, then that pulls me to this landing page. Now with this landing page, I've got a lot of great information. I have, if you see over here, I've got a history of APIs that I've done before. I have my authorization that I can go through, my headers that I can pass in, a body. If you've ever used normal products like ApiStrong or any of your normal API type products, then this should look very familiar to you. What I want to do is I got this ApiStrong people here, and if I just pull this up over here in another browser, you'll see this really is just a data that comes back that pulls a string of JSON data out of a database. Easily enough said. Okay, so this is going to take just a few minutes. I think it's starting to come up. This is a blob of data. There's a lot of data coming out of here. So this is a good example to use. So we're going to hit send. And that came back. Now with this, I have great metrics. I have a status code of 200, a duration of when it came back, my URL, my host. There's a lot of great information. My start time, my end time, and my message size. I also can get my response. Now the good thing is I can beautify this and I can look at the JSON payload that came back. Now let's do something kind of fun. We're going to take this one. Okay. And this is kind of relative which one I take. I just want to grab one. And we have our basic methods, get, post, put, and delete. And I'm going to do post. And here in the body, we'll just take this one out and post that one in there. I know this is a database ID, so I'm going to take that one out. Let's just put some commas at the end just to make our JSON valid. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to change some names here. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll change it to my son's name. Okay, Damian Higgins. Okay, for kicks and giggles, I'm going to grab this. And what we're going to do is we're going to post this back to our data. So now I've got a complete. If I go over here and look and do a find for Damian. Oh, you know what? I have to refresh. I'm sorry. That error on my part. So let's do Damian, and there he is. Damian Higgins, that was today. So it's really that simple. That was a post, a get. Now let's say that you're interacting with other products. For an example, this is connecting to release automation. If I look at my basic authentication, okay, Team Higgins. Now, it didn't show up at first because it's cached, it's remembered. There's no values here, and there's no body, but this is going to connect to Broadcom's release automation, and it's going to pull back a list of applications, and here are my applications. Really that simple. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll add them to them. Thank you very much.